how to fix Logitech G Hub not opening. So if you want to fix the Logitech G Hub not opening problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply right click on your taskbar and then go with the taskbar settings, or just go with taskbar. Once you're on the taskbar now here, you just need to simply search for the task related to Logitech G Hub, and you need to close the task. You can simply right click on the task and then go with end task, and you need to end the task which is related to Logitech G Hub. After doing that, we can go to the search again and search for services and open up your services tab. Once you open up your services, now you just need to simply search for LG Hub Update Your Service. You might have that service under Language Experience Service. You just need to simply go with that service. After finding that service, you need to right click on it and then go with properties. In my case, I don't have that service, but if you have that service, then for example, I'll just show you. You need to go with properties, and then you need to go with stop, and you need to stop the service. Now, once you've done that, you can go with apply and then go with OK. And you need to refresh your services. So go with the right space, which has that blank space. Right click on it and then go with refresh, and you need to refresh your services. Once you've refreshed, this is the first solution. And if this solution doesn't fix, then you need to go with the second solution, which is you need to download the old version of Logitech G Hub. Before downloading the old version, you need to completely delete the current version. So to do that, you can simply use an uninstaller, or you can just go with the file location and then you can uninstall. And you can again reinstall it or reinstall the program by just simply searching it on your browser. You can simply search for the Logitech old versions, and here you will have the older versions of your Logitech. You just need to simply go with download, and you need to download the older version. So after downloading or after installing the older versions of your Logitech G Hub, then your problem might be fixed. And after that, you just need to simply restart your PC or your laptop, and that's it. That's how you can fix Logitech G Hub not opening. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.